Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Inspect the Aneroid gauge for a 0 reading and no cracks, and verify tubing and valve function. Position the patient seated, back supported, feet flat, arm bare, and at heart level because posture changes readings. Next, size the cuff to the mid-upper arm measurement. Improper fit skews pressure. Once done, align the bladder over the brachial artery and secure the cuff snugly. This establishes accurate baseline conditions before inflating. You then perform a controlled inflation and listen for choric cough sounds because timing and speed affect accuracy. Palpate the radial pulse and inflate until it disappears, then add 20-30 mm Hg to avoid missing systolic pressure. Place the stethoscope over the brachial artery without touching the cuff. Make sure ambient noise is low. Deflate steadily at about 2-3 mm Hg per second. Announce the first sound, systolic, and wait for disappearance, diastolic, while watching the gauge for stability. You finish by fully releasing air and removing the cuff. Confirm the gauge returns to 0 so the instrument resets. Record systolic and diastolic values, which arm you used, patient position, cuff size, and time, because those details matter for trends. If readings are inconsistent, pause and reassess. Ensure cuff fit is correct, tubing and valve have no leaks, and reposition the stethoscope. If problems persist, repeat after 5 minutes, or use a spare calibrated device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.